Welcome in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject standard 8. Chapter number 12, social evils according to Gandhi. This chapter is going on. 7 social evils are there. First evil, politics without principle. We have discussed in last video. In this video, we will discuss second social evil, wealth without work. Gandhiji believed that only those who work have got the right to live. People who eat without doing any work are thieves. For him, he considered spinning as a sacrament. Sacrament is a visible sign that brings grace of God to human being. Any kind of work was yoga for him. Gandhi quoted the Gita and the Bible to prove his point. He who eats without performing the sacrifice eats stolen bread. Gita. Earn your bread by the sweat of your brow. Bible. For Gandhi, the sacrifice mentioned in the Gita was work. So, my dear students, in second social evil, wealth without work, it is said by the Gandhiji, according to the belief of Gandhiji, only those who are working, they have a right to live. Those who are eating, they have to work. Eating without doing any work, that is not good. Gandhiji compared with the thieves. Even Gandhiji was working. Gandhiji considered spinning as a sacrament. Gandhiji was telling sacrament is a visible sign that brings grace of God to human being. Whatever activity functions we are doing, comparison is made with yoga. And for that purpose, quotation given by Gandhiji from Gita and Bible. He who eats without performing the sacrifice eats stolen bread. So, we can eat no problem, but we have to do the work. We have to make sacrifice. Without making sacrifice, eating is not good. That means work is worship. In Bible, earn your bread by sweat of your brow. Meaning is like that. Same meaning. We have to do work. We have to perform function. And then we can have a bread. We can have a food. So, according to opinion of Gandhiji, the sacrifice mentioned in the Gita was work. We are living in a world which is made about getting money, power and fame without working. People want to enjoy themselves. They don't want to work. They exploit others to become rich. The employers do not give just wages to their workers. The businessmen try to get unreasonable profit from their business through cheating. The corrupt officials take bribes. The politicians misuse their power to amass wealth. They switch sides quite often for the lust of money and power. In all these cases, wealth comes without any work, and for Gandhiji, it is a social evil. So, my dear students, you see, we have experience of all over the world. In world, it is going on like that, for money, for power, for a name, for fame. Without working, they need to have, and that is not good. So, people would like to enjoy without doing work, and that is not fair. Some are making exploitation. Rich are making exploitation to poor. Employers are not giving proper salary to their workers, employees. Businessmen is getting more and more profit. That is not good. Through cheating, when they are getting profit, no, that is not good. Corrupt officers are there. They are taking bribes. That is not good. Politicians, just in order to collect money and wealth, they are doing, misusing their power. That is not good. Just they want to enjoy with money and power. That is not good. That means in all these cases, wealth comes without any work. Wrongdoing, that is in a real manner, not work. And for Gandhiji, it is a social evil. So, my dear students, up to here we are keeping. Thank you very much.